Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your TikTok account private. Follow the steps. First, you have to open the TikTok app on your mobile device and log in if you have not logged in yet. And you have to tap on the profile, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen, to go to your profile. And once you're on your profile, you have to tap on the three-line icon in the top right corner of your profile, and you have to tap on the settings and privacy to access your privacy settings. And you can see under the account privacy, tap on that privacy, and you have to toggle on the private account option like this, and this will make your account private and only approved followers will be able to see your videos. You can also manage who can comment on your videos and send you message by adjusting the setting under privacy. That is it, and your TikTok account is now private and you have control over who can view your content and interact with you on the platform. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.